it is saturated. It is
बोर्ड पे आ गया।
this is all compounds ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol and methane is saturated compounds. Saturated compounds. And ethylene type, alkene type compound, alkene, CH2 double bond CH2, ethylene, addition of alkane ene group is replaced by ene. This is called alkene. This is ethylene. And also acetylene, alkyne type of compound. Alkyne type of compounds. Acetylene, CH triple bond CH. This is acetylene. Alkane is ane group. Alkane का ane group replaced by ine. This is called alkyne. Alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds जो होते हैं 3 membered, 4 membered and 6 membered, 5 members compounds होते हैं जो अनसैचुरेटेड फॉर्म में होते हैं. साइक्लोप्रोपेन, साइक्लोप्रोपेन. This is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane, this is CH2 group, this is CH2 group and this is also CH2 group. This is cyclopropane. And same is cyclobutane. CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2. Cyclobutane. CH2, CH2 and CH2 group. This is also CH2. This is also CH2. This is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclopentane and cyclohexane. CH2 group, CH2 group, CH2 and CH2, CH2 and CH2 group. This is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Cyclopentane bearing the 3 carbon and 6 hydrogen. This is called cyclopropane. And cyclobutane can bearing 4 carbon and 8 hydrogen. C4H8, C3H6. This is cyclopropane. This is cyclobutane. This is cyclopentane. C5 and H10 and cyclohexane C6H12. The number of hydrogen 12 and number of carbon 6. And after cycloheptane, this is same form, number of hydrogen and carbon increase. This is alicyclic compound and also heterocyclic compound. heterocyclic compound, heterocyclic compound. The heterocyclic compound, this is called such unsaturated compound. Unsaturated compound, some unsaturated compound having the oxygen nitrogen group, oxygen nitrogen and sulfur also group.
Yes.
Oxyrene. This compound is oxyrene. The pairing of one oxygen and C2H4O. This is oxyrene. Benzene. CH and CH. This is also CH. This is benzene. C6H6. This is called benzene. And pyridine. The number of the pyridine compound containing one nitrogen and 5 carbon and 5 hydrogen. 5 carbon and 5 hydrogen. Pyridine. This is pyridine. And one compound also, quinoline. CH and CH. This is quinoline. C9H9 and nitrogen. This is C9H7 and one containing nitrogen. This is called quinoline. Alkane. How to numbering of alkane? CH3. Number 1, number 2. 2 carbon. This is called alkane. Number of this is methane. This is ethane. This is
ये देख रही है.
alkane hydrocarbon. Alkane hydrocarbon. CH4. Methane. Number 2. CH3. Ethane. Number 3. Propane. CH3, CH2, CH3, butane. Pentane, CH3, CH2 and CH3. Pentane. Hexane. CH3, number of carbon. Pentane. CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2, CH2 and CH2 and CH3. This is called hexane. 7 heptane, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Heptane. The number of only carbon and one carbon, one hydrogen are also increased. This is called octane. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. Octane. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. This is nonane, nonane, and will also decay. Number CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3. This is called decay. This is numbering of hydrocarbons are 10. This is called alkane hydrocarbon. Alkane hydrocarbon. This is all alkane hydrocarbons. Only increase of one CH2 group, number of CH2 group. This is alkane hydrocarbon also increase. This is alkanes. Alkane general formula CN H2 N plus 2. Alkane general formula CN H2N plus 2. Putting the number of N is equal to 1. So C1 H2 into 1 plus 2 equal to CH4. This is called methane. And also putting the number 2, this is called ethane, and putting number of 3, propane. And also N is the prefix in the hydrocarbon chain. In case of alkane, N, and in case of alkene, N is replaced by ene group, and in case of alkane, N group is replaced by alkyne. This is double bond, and alkyne, ine is triple bond, unsaturated bond. This is saturated and this is unsaturated. The isobutane, also chain of alkane. This is methyl group and CH group and CH3 group. This is CH3. And how to numbering? How to numbering? Number of 1, 2, 3. This is not attached to any functional group in this molecule. This in this hydrocarbons. This is the hydrocarbon chain. This is numbering 1, 2, 3. This group is called isopropane. Iso 1, 2, 3 propane. Isopropane. And second name 2-methyl. This carbon directly attached to methyl group. This is 2-methyl. Second name 2-methyl 1, 2, 3 propane. 2-methyl propane. And same also this group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting of number of carbon, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3-methyl pentane. Number of carbon 5. This group 3-methyl. This is 5 carbons. This is called pentane. 3-methyl pentane. And one examples you can solve and you can give the comment. One can solve and do the comment box, and also next day solve this question. Thank you very much, and you can subscribe and bell also. You can subscribe my channel and you can subscribe my channel and you can watch my video, and bell icon also